Hello. Welcome to Crafting with Katelyn
and
Daddy. Did you forget who I was?
I'm Daddy.
Okay, so today we're going to be making a no-sew pencil flat bag or
and a purse.
And Katelyn's making a purse, something great.
And to put our journals in for all of our cuckoo ideas is what I said last time.
Or creative ideas, however you want to say it. So supplies you'll need for today are
fabric.
or an old shirt. What else you got?
And then a hot glue gun. Don't forget a parent.
That's me, or an adult, any adult work. And also some cardboard to protect your work surfaces. Ready?
Yeah!
So, do you have the fabric you want to use?
Yep, it's the monkey because it's so soft and it feels like a blanket.
Okay, so the first thing we gotta do is we've got to cut our fabric, figure out how big we want to make our bags and what we want to do. So I'm using this old shirt, so I'm gonna have to cut some more off. Katelyn's using a piece already cut. How big do you want to make yours? Here's what we'll do. So you want to take and you want this to be half the size. All right, so you fold it over. How big a purse do you want?
I don't know.
Okay, I think this is good. You don't need any more junk than this. So, is that a good size? I don't know. Okay, is that a good size there?
Cut that off.
Yep. So, here you go. You want to cut this off?
Yes.
Okay, cut it. Just don't cut my fingers. Those are, we borrowed Mom's scissors. Don't tell anybody.
Yeah. Don't tell anybody. She can't hear us.
She's over there. All right, so Katelyn's going to make a flat purse. I'm going to make like a pencil bag thing. So we're going to start with hers first. What you need is you get your fabric laid out, and since she's going to do a flap, we need to fold it over, and then you got to leave enough room for the flap. All right, so we're going to go here, and then about a third of it, maybe not less. So the third is going to be flipped up there. Take these and flatten it out. Now this is where it comes in. You need an adult or someone, because the hot glue, we have a super hot. We got high temp hot glue. It gets hot. So watch your fingers, be careful. Katelyn's going to be doing the gluing first. So I like to peel back just a little bit, pull back the fabric, and then she's going to put a line of glue right across here.
This is not real glue.
It's hot glue.
Don't glue your fingers because it doesn't feel exactly like real glue.
Don't glue your father's fingers either. So, there, you can use a popsicle stick if you got one to help kind of push it down, mash the fabrics together. And that's really going to get it in there good.
Make sure to keep your glue thing on whatever. Ow.
Oh, don't do that.
That hurts. That hurts.
Hurts donut. All right.
Hurts donut.
Okay. So here you go. Now we're going to do the other side. Same way. Glue stick refill. I go to the handle.
Glue stick refill. Hurts. Like hurts donut. Ouchie.
I'm going to secure the flaps. Now we got to turn this inside out. Okay? So you do that, I'm going to work on mine. Okay, so I'm using the old t-shirt. So Katelyn's going to put a strap on her flappy purse. So we have this old t-shirt hem that we cut and we tied. Did that off camera, sorry about that. And she's going to glue it into place here. The best spot is to get it on one of these seams so we can get some extra leverage in there. All right, so if you could, Katelyn.
We're going to call it strappy.
Strappy, the strap. There you go. All right, put some
string or whatever it's called. Sorry.
You're supposed to be gluing right here.
Okay, so do not hot glue yourself or your father. Don't do that, guys.
Ow! All right, here you go.
We're having a
little
hard
more.
time with the hot glue.
You're not having a hard time. Right. I'll do that right there.
I'm still gonna have fun with it.
There you go. Oh.
Now we have something to store our journals in.
We're gonna put it down here.
So let's put our journals in.
You can put our journal. I'll put my journal in there too. Onto the pencil bag style that I was making.
This one is going to be our bag for our journals and our pencils. So that's gonna be a good, nice start for everything else.
So, but if you're making a pencil bag or a catch-all bag like I am making,
A ketchup bag?
catch-all, ketchup.
It doesn't even look red.
You're correct.
It doesn't have any red on it.
So what you do is you flip it inside out. What you're gonna do is you wanna lay it flat. And you're gonna wanna cut.
Can I glue your bag?
Yes, you can help me out in a second.
I'm gonna glue his fingers.
Don't threaten me.
Meh. I'd rather glue my fingers.
So I had to cut across. And what I'm gonna do is, first I'm going to make a little hem here at the top just to make it a little more secure. So if you would, Katelyn, put a line of glue right on that white line there. Next thing you want to do is, this is going to be a flap, so you're going to want to glue the sides down to give it some security. So Katelyn, if you would, I need...
I've got the...
We're all done. All right, and that's it. My bags
See you
are all ready.
next time. Bye.
Catch you later. Bye.
Catchphrase.